Manus AI versus Claude. Which AI is better for your needs? You are using AI every day, but are you using the right one? Manus AI and Claude are two of the biggest names in AI right now, but here is what most people get wrong. They are not built for the same job. Today, I am breaking down exactly where each one wins so you can pick the right tool for how you actually work. Let me start with what they are. Manus is an autonomous AI agent designed to perform complex digital tasks on its own, including research, analysis, planning, and workflow execution. You set a goal and walk away. It browses the web, writes files, runs code, and delivers a finished result. Manus was created by Butterfly Effect, launched in March 2025, and is now part of Meta. Claude is an AI assistant built by Anthropic, a safety-focused company founded by former OpenAI researchers. It responds to your prompts with high-quality reasoning, writing, analysis, and code. It keeps you in the loop at every step. Think of it this way: Claude is your thinking partner, Manus is your task executor. Here are the key differences. First, how they work. Manus runs tasks autonomously inside a sandboxed virtual machine using real browsers, real terminals, and real file systems. Claude works through conversation. You prompt, it responds, you decide the next step. Every action requires your input, which gives you precision and control. Second, what each one does best. Claude handles complex reasoning, long document analysis, nuanced writing, and code generation. It has a 200,000 token context window, roughly 500 pages of text, and produces more nuanced, less generic output than most competitors. Manus shines at running multiple AI agents simultaneously. You can build a web app, conduct research, and create a presentation all at the same time while doing other things. Third, latest updates. Anthropic launched Claude Fable 5 with stronger coding, vision, memory, and long context performance. Claude now offers scheduled agents that can complete routine work automatically on a cron schedule. Manus added chat mode, wide research for deep multi-source research, and a desktop app that lets the agent operate on your local machine with a per-command permission gate. Fourth, pricing. Claude ranges from free to $200 a month for individuals, with team and enterprise plans available. Manus uses a credit-based model with a free plan offering 300 daily credits. But be careful, a simple task might cost 300 credits while a deep research task can burn 4,000 to 10,000 credits in a single run. Fifth, reliability. Claude pulls ahead here. Claude uses constitutional AI, meaning it reasons about its own behavior against a set of principles, which reduces hallucinations and improves trustworthiness. Manus task execution is largely a black box. You see the output but not the logic behind it. There are also data privacy concerns since Manus operates as a cloud service with access to whatever accounts and data you provide. Sixth, ease of use. Manus takes about 2 minutes to set up. You type what you want and it goes and does it. Claude requires more interaction, but that back